all in, living the dream.
Yeah, it's very decadent, innit, before lunch. I thought Orlando wasn't coming. He's here. Right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
That was pretty good, the double landing technique. It's a one-step, two-step throw. Tell me about the way you got the name from.
My mate put his finger down on the name Maccabees, which was in the Bible, and he was flicking through books. And it's like, we'll call it the Maccabees then.
Right.
Sounds good. It doesn't mean anything to us. Anyways, if you don't mind it. Okay. But Maccabees gigs always feel like events.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, it's always got such good spirit about it. People find out about us through their mates and stuff, you know? Like, it's like a word of mouth thing, and that's why people are so excited, because I think they feel like they're part of something.
Yeah, I'll be Orlando. Felix, you and Abami Jack Pignati.
I was.
Now this name I've got to ask, Jack's Basement.
Jack's Basement.
That's a bit of a, I think that's a rubbish name.
It's awful, isn't it? Jack's Basement was really bad. And Jack won't mind me saying that. Jack won't mind me saying that. We weren't very good.
Yeah, and he's still singing some of the songs from Jack's Basement.
Oh, I don't think
he carried some on.
No,
Spit Stars. Oh, Spit Stars, that's it, yeah.
Yes! Oh, yes!
Strike right there. The power of his strike has broken it. Listen to the noise it's making. That's just not a light break, that's so much churning.
Is that somebody in it?
No, it's not. Should we go in that other room?
Let's do it.
Cradle me, I'll cradle you. I'll win your heart with a whoop-whoop.
It's getting quite tense in here. Come on, you bandmates.